Hello, welcome back. I have a wax melt haul and one candle here to show you. So I have Yankee candle, Ambiescents, and Country Home candle wax melts. So I was on the other side of town today and I had to drive by the Yankee store. So I dropped in. They had another 10% off their SAS items. So most of these were 75% off, and then there was another 10% off of those. And then went into Bed Bath and Beyond a week or so ago, and I got some Ambiescents melts. Same company as Sensationals, just a different name. And the Country Home candles. I found them at Birdie's Nest, and the Country Home candle, this Birdie's Nest, which is a store here in London, used to sell a ton of Ambiescent scents, like about 75 different fragrances. They quit selling them now, unfortunately, but they do still sell some Country Home candles. So I'll start with the Yankee candle, the SAS. So this candle was on sale for $11, and then another 10% off. It came to about $9.90. And I did buy the melt this past winter and really liked it, and it's Cascading Snowberry. And I love when my favorite winter combination is evergreen and berry, or evergreen and mint, and this has all three kind of rolled into one. So you get an evergreen scent, you get a berry scent, you get a bit of a minty scent. Oh, I just love that smell for the winter. I didn't purchase a candle previously of this scent. I did do the wax melts, and they were decently strong, so I'm hoping this will throw okay, but I can always throw it in the candle crock. It certainly is quite strong on cold. So yeah, I'm hoping to get a good throw from that one. I did like the Wild Berries in Bloom one. They did have a 2-wick soft wax tumbler on that, but I just don't have a lot of luck with the 2-wick tumblers, so I kind of avoid those. And I was also looking for some Wildflower Bloom melts, but they didn't have any. So I did get some tea lights, and these I think were $5.40, I believe, with the extra 10% off. So I did get Sun-Drenched Apricot Rose, and I did get 2 packages. And yeah, this one really does smell good. I'm having a hot flash. It's either the weather or my hormones. Probably my hormones. Anyway, yeah, as soon as I open the box, I can smell that apricot. It's definitely, I think, more dominant scent than the rose. But, you know, there is a hint of a rose in there, but the apricot's more dominant. But, oh, it really, really is a lovely, lovely scent. So I got 2 of those. And then I actually found some Golden Sands tarts, and these were 75% off, and I think they came to about 45 cents with the extra 10% off. I did burn this in a candle and didn't get a lot of throw, but the tarts I really have good luck with. I get a very strong throw from this. This is a beachy, perfumey scent, but it's very soft and soothing. It's spa-like, and it's strong. I really, really like this one, and I'm glad I was able to find it in the tart form. So I did get 6 of those. And I did get, they just had 1 Meadow Showers left at 45 cents. So I nabbed that one because I love that one. And then I got 2 of the Vanilla Lime. And this is just a bright, zesty lime, perfect for this type of weather. And then I did get 2 of the Golden Sands in the votive holders because I really do like burning votives in their little holders there. And then I got 2 of the April Showers votives, and again, these were all 45 cents. And then I got 3 of the chocolate layer cake. And yeah, I mean, don't have to burn these. I can smell them just fine without burning them. They're very strong, and people get fooled when they come over. They think I'm actually baking something, but no, it's these tarts. So that was it for the SAS. It was pretty picked over. I mean, it's pretty well near the end, but I'm very happy with what I did get. And then at the Birdie's Nest, they do sell some Country Home candles, and this is a Canadian company. So I did pick up a couple of my very favorite laundry scent ever. And I've tried a lot of laundry scents, and I've tried nice ones, but this is my all-time favorite, and that's the Country Home candle in flannel sheets. And I did get 2 packages of this. Yeah, I just absolutely adore this scent. Oh, there's just, it's just a, what do I want to say? It's just a very deep, rich kind of laundry scent. It's very musky, and oh, I love it. Love it. And then I went into Bed Bath & Beyond, and they had some Ambiescents there. And this first one is Luxe Linen. And this is a very soothing, very pretty scent. It is laundry, but it's a little bit brighter. It's a floral / laundry. Oh, but very soothing. I feel my blood pressure going down just sniffing these ones. And there's Italian Limoncello. And yeah, this one's good. This is a very sharp, bright lemon. No bakery, it's just a sharp, bright lemon. And lemongrass and peppermint, which is just a wonderful combination. Yeah, neither scent kind of dominates the other. It's just a very, very nice blend. Oh, just bright and refreshing. I love both of those scents, lemongrass and peppermint, and that's a really, really nice blend. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Yeah, not a whole lot, but some of my, all these scents are ones that I just absolutely love, and I'm glad I found them. So yeah, just a short, sweet little video there, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're staying cool. Whew. It's steamy out there, isn't it? So everyone take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.